Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Auxilia. Today we're gonna record or make video about pasta. So we're gonna use this. You can get it out of a store or Walmart. The pastry sheet. This is butter, ghee, butter. This is sugar for syrup, lemon, the cinnamon stick, uh, and knife. We're gonna cut it with it. I got here peanut butter or peanut, and then this is cashew. So right now we're gonna make the syrup. Sugar first. Put the sugar as much you want or as sweet you want, and then put the water. We don't like a lot of sugar, and then put the cinnamon stick in there. You can let it boil and then to add the lemon syrup, but it doesn't matter to me. I put lemon syrup and then mix it and put it in the stove. When it boils, it turn like a little bit sticky, and then turn the stove off. After I open my pastry, it look like this. So we're gonna divide it to two. The same amount it be in the bottom, the same amount in it. So it look like this. The first thing you have to put your butter. Mix it around. And then you're gonna get half of this. Put them in the bottom. Then put the butter. When you put it, you brush it around. And then you're gonna put whatever you wanna put it. This is cashew and peanut. Just throw them. You can use anything you want. And then we're gonna put the half. You have to make sure target in good. And then put the rest of your butter. Brush it, always brush it. Got enough butter, make sure it's enough. Because if you didn't put enough butter, it's gonna burn. So make sure you got enough. When you're done, you're gonna start to cut it any shape you want. You can cut it whatever you want. I think I cut it a little bit big. You can use pizza cutter too. My knife is not sharp enough. You make sure it's soak very good with butter, and then it's ready right now. You're gonna put it in the oven for 10 minutes, 350 Fahrenheit. You're gonna put it down and bake until turn to brown. For 15 minutes, it come out. Look like these guys is still hot. Make sure the color is gold brown. Make sure the color look like this is perfect. And then before it get cold, you have to put the syrup. Remember the syrup we make it earlier? This. That's it. Just put it around. It smells really, really good. Some people they don't like a lot of sugar, just they put it a little bit. So just is soaked. So here we're gonna put a little bit cashew in the top. You can decorate it with anything any fruit. Look at this. Look really, really nice. Guys, after it was done, it looked like this. Very nice, very tasty. Thank you for watching. Try my recipe and then let me know how is it. Thank you so much. I ask please, please for subscribe and like. Thank you for now. Bye. See you later.